dear learner, let's master the letter E today. Learn how to write capital E and small e perfectly. Get introduced to sentence making, new E words, and participate in a quiz too. Let's begin. One standing line with 3 sleeping lines make capital E. A sleeping line with a continuous curve up to down makes small e. Let's keep writing the letter E. One standing line joined by 3 sleeping lines make capital E. One sleeping line which curves up to down makes small e. Writing will help us recognize letter E. E for eggs. Let's say the sentences together. Let's crack the eggs. Eggs are oval-shaped. E for earth. Earth has land and water bodies. Earth spins around the sun. E for elephant. Elephants have a large trunk. Elephants are grey in color. E for ears. Ears help you listen to others. Let's keep our ears open. E for eyes. Eyes help us to see. Eyes are shut while sleeping. Quiz time! Identify all E-letter words from this picture puzzle. Amazing! You are right. It's ears, eyes, and earth. Share this letter E activity with your friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.